Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm pretty much showing you what I've picked up in the last couple of weeks, and as you can see, it's been quite a lot. So it's been about $5,000 I've spent on shoes in the past few weeks, mostly for comparisons and extra videos, but just thought I'd show you what I picked up and which ones are my favourite. So we'll start with the right one. So, as you can tell, I've been pretty into New Balance recently, so I've picked up quite a lot of New Balances. So this one is the Basement collaboration. I got these from eBay, as you can probably see from the tag. These are really nice. I really do like the two tones from the upper all the way down to the different coloured sole with the black. I think it offers something a little bit different from New Balance. And as you'll see in this video, a lot of shoes have been copying this kind of colour scheme recently, but this one is my favourite release from New Balance in a long time, and I really do like that black sole compared to the creamy upper. Just think that contrast looks really good. It does come with a few sets of spare laces as well if you want to customize. But in my opinion, this one is a really nice shoe, and I'd purchase this if I were you. And you think the price is going to go up because these are really nice, and the quality on them is really good, and just the collaboration is something special. So now number two, we'll just stick with the right hand side. As you'll notice, I've got a kind of scratch on my face. Got that from football, so just don't really pay attention to that, even though I pointed it out. But here we have a pair of Nike SB Dunks. Open these up, and these are the black with the gum sole colorway. Pretty simplistic, but what I did say when I unboxed these on my TikTok, the quality on them for basically a general release shoe is really, really good. And if you haven't picked these up already, I'd highly suggest doing so, because this is a daily wear for anyone, just because the quality of them is so good and it's a simplistic color. I'm a big fan of these. Not many people are, but they came out in a white and gum colorway, and I think they're coming out in a grey colorway. I'm not sure if they've already released, but I'll be picking up the grey one because I do like that. But the black one is super simplistic and super nice. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of these, because I'm a big fan. This is really nice, and the quality, I keep going on about the quality. It's just so good. I got these ones actually for retail as well, because obviously they're not going for much, so it's pretty easy to pick them up on release. Paid resale for the New Balance, the Basement pack. So then, I've got so many pairs of these. Didn't realise how unlimited they were, how mass they produced, so I actually picked up 4 pairs of the Sachs in the brown colourway. Said in the review before, I don't really like the two-tone on this one. I think the brown colours are a little bit off. I would have preferred it if it was all that dark brown colour of the sole. I think that would have looked a little bit cleaner. Don't really like this lighter brown colour on the upper. It's just not really my vibe. But as you all know, the quality on these is also really good, and they're made for everyday wear. I've seen videos of people wearing them for like a year straight in the other colourways, so that's pretty incredible that a shoe withstands daily wear just constantly. Well, shoes really should withstand that, but most modern day shoes don't. But these ones do. So if you want to pick these up, they're not going for much money at all. I managed to pick up 4, which is a little bit crazy, so I'm just going to either give them away or sell them. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of these. I always think the packaging in the box on these pair is pretty cool. I really do like it. Pair number 3 is on this side. A Nike SB Dunk once again in the rainbow box. Open these up. I think these were the eBay Dunks, yeah. So I bought these for a comparison. They're just a little bit crazy. I think they're absolutely wild. So I'd never actually wear this pair, just because it's just so out there and you can basically see your foot through it. So you have to wear socks, and you have to wear good socks, otherwise it just looks stupid. But no, this one's just too out there for me. I like my simplistic designs pretty much, and this is wild, but it will make a cool display piece on the wall, so I might put it up there, or I might just let it go. Resale's actually gone down a lot. I think these were purchased, I got these for resale from eBay, I believe, and I think I paid about $180, and they've now dropped to like $150, $160. And that's in pounds, but it's gone down quite a bit, and maybe they'll go up eventually just because it's an art piece, in my opinion. But yeah, never gonna wear them because they're just so crazy. Second last shoe on the right, we have a Union collab, and I like the Union collabs, and I do like this pair. So this is the Union Nike Air Jordan AJKO. I think I'm saying that right. And this is the kind of canvas design. So they did come out with 2 colours. One was Union exclusive, and this one was just the general release. But I actually prefer this. It reminds me so much of the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Neutral Grey, but it does have the swooshes are detachable, and I can change the colour of these. I think it came with a blue one. It's on the other pair, or on the other side. But yeah, This one's nice. This is a really nice clean pair, and I would wear this. I think this is really, really nice. I like the grey tone, and I like the white, and the actual material itself will get incredibly dirty, but the silhouette, I do like it. Big fan of these, so I'm happy I picked these up. I also really like the box on this one. I think that's pretty cool. So, last one on the right-hand side. This is actually, I think, the most recent pickup, because it just came like yesterday. But this is the Nike Air Jordan 1 in the white cement colorway. Really like the box on this one as well. The shoe itself is a little bit wild. Does have that white cement pattern going all the way around the back of the heel and the upper, and also around the edge of the toe box. But also do like how it comes with that white toe box and the grey tongue. I think that looks really nice. Would put some white laces in this, and yeah, not going for any money at all, which is crazy. I just think Jordan 1 is kind of slipping off a little bit, but I do expect them to pick up because it's just an absolute classic. This one is just a little bit out there, but I do like it. I actually really do. So now we move on to some of the big hitters on the left-hand side here. So you can probably tell by the box what this is, but this is the Jound New Balance collaboration, and this one is the 992 that I picked up. These are wild. I absolutely love these. So I actually picked these up before the 991 actually dropped in pretty much the same colorway and looked basically like the same shoe, but the price held on these, so I'm pretty happy with this. I did pay resale for these, but I actually got them at a very good price, and they've gone up quite a bit since then. I haven't worn them yet. Tempted to, because I do like them, but I will have a comparison also coming very soon for this pair. The quality on these and the comfort and the overall look of this shoe is really good. But if you're not going to spend the money on this one, just get the 991 because it's slightly cheaper. And they basically are the same shoe. That's just my opinion. Then the next one is obviously another New Balance Jound collaboration. This might be my favorite pickup of the entire lot. There's some close runners, but this one might be my favorite. And this is the 990 V3 in the olive colorway. The colors on this are spectacular. I love every single aspect of this shoe. It's just amazing. This is probably my favorite New Balance ever. I think this is so good, from the green olive color with that Jound New Balance symbol in the black. Yeah, I could lost for words for this shoe. I absolutely love it. This is spectacular, and if you haven't picked it up, pick it up because this is brilliant. It's my favorite one. Right, let's go for this pair. So as you can probably tell, pair of Dunks. Open it up. This is the Ironstone colorway, I think it was the Ironstone colorway, recently released. Two-tone, like it, very similar to the Basement in terms of the color scheme that was used, with the dark sole and the creamy kind of upper. Good for an everyday wear, and if you're in the UK, the sole works perfectly because it's very muddy and it won't show up as much the dirt on the bottom sole. If it was a creamy sole, it would just look a bit crazy. But yeah, the quality on these is alright, nothing special, but I'm really happy with this shoe. And I think I'll actually wear this one because I don't mind the color, and it's just a Dunk, so it's not that expensive. I picked these up for retail as well because they're not going for much. Now we'll move on to this pair. So this one is another New Balance because I just seem to absolutely love New Balance. And this is the Protection Pack 1906D in the Turtle Dove colorway. As you can see, once again, a very similar color with the creamy upper and the dark sole. Everyone seems to be going for it, New Balance in particular. So I did actually pick up all the new Protection Pack from the 1906D. I just kind of forgot to put them in the video. So I've only put this one in, but I actually did pick up them all. And this is one of my least favorite ones. The actual favorite one is the creamy one with the black back heel part. And I don't know why I didn't show that, but I can't be bothered finding it now. But this is one of the packs. It's not my favorite. I do like the design of the 1906D, and the comfort levels are crazy, but I think I prefer the 2002R. So next we have our first Nike Air Jordan 4. Can you guess which colorway this was? So this was the Seafoam colorway. Got exclusive access to these on sneakers, so pick them up for retail obviously. I love this color. I think it's so good. Reminds me obviously of the military black Jordan 4s, but I actually prefer this with the hints of the Seafoam green all over the shoe. The back, just looks so good in my opinion. I really do like this one. I think it's better than the military backs. And it's not going for much. I think it's going about $250, so a little bit over retail. And I'd pick these up if I were you because they'll be great in the summer. This green color really does look good. So we do the best one? Yeah, I picked these up. You can tell what these are by the box. These are the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Year of the Rabbits. So there were only 5,000 pairs of these released, and I picked up pair number 1,405. The quality on these, oh, I absolutely love the details. And in my opinion, they're probably better than all the Travis Scott collaboration releases that they've done with Jordan 1 lows. This one's spectacular. Love the colors, love the materials. You can't go wrong with this. This is up there with my favorite with the other New Balance. But yeah, pick these up for resale, but it was actually quite low at the time and they've gone shooting up since then. So I will hold these for a while. Happy to have these in my collection if there's only 5,000 pairs in the world. Yeah, this was a big win for me. I'm really happy with this. So next we have a pair that I picked up specifically for the comparison video. I've been holding on to the fake pair of these for a long time, but this is the Nike Off-White Dunk Low Lot 12. This one was actually really hard to get. This colorway is really difficult in my size. With that kind of like peachy cream laces on the top. It's like a suede material, then you can see the outer side tag with a lot number on it. This was a hard one to get, and I did pay resale for this, but got them at an okay price, pretty happy with it. But they were only picked up for a comparison. I had the fake ones for absolutely ages and never really got round to buying the retail pair, but now I have, so I will do this comparison very soon. But I do like this color. This is probably my favorite colorway out of the whole batch of 50. That peach laces on the top just looks really nice. So the next one I'm picking up was a pretty random purchase. It was purchased directly from the Nike app. These weren't reselling, weren't selling out, just picked them up. So this is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Craft colorway. I only got them because I thought they looked pretty similar to the Year of the Rabbit, except way cheaper. So these were only about 110. Obviously the Year of the Rabbit's like 800, 900 pound at the moment. But I will do a comparison between the two pairs because they do look really similar. Obviously the price difference is way off and the materials are slightly off and there's different things about them. But for an £800 price difference, would you rather have these or the Year of the Rabbits? So I'll have that video coming very soon. But once again, the colours used on this are really pretty nice and I'm quite happy with these for only £110. I think they're pretty nice. And then we have pretty much another big one here. I had these actually for a little while, just not really done a video on them. So these are the Nike Air Jordan 4 A Ma Manieres. I just did the comparison video on these, so you can check that out on my channel as well. Yeah, these are really nice. Actually, annoyingly though, it looks like my pair's been worn because they're pretty creased, but apparently that's quite common with dead stock pairs. Quality, color, and everything like that on this pair is really good. This is one of the best collaborations they've done with A Ma Maniere. Really happy with all the details and the actual quality of the shoe. Packaging is absolutely spectacular once again. Really do like this kind of like cover A Ma Maniere slip that they put over the top of the boxes, and then the details on the inside of the box are really nice as well. They always go all out and I'm pretty happy with these. Picked them up for about £410, pretty much the market price as they're going for them. And yeah, happy with these, they'll go in my collection. And the final pickup is a pretty recent one once again. Nike Air Jordan 1. In a red box. Open it up, pick these up, got two pairs for retail, you can probably see the receipt there. Open these up, they're both individually wrapped. I actually haven't opened this one, so I have two pairs, so I opened the other one. But it is the Nike Air Jordan 1 85 Panda. Quality on them, very good, however they do fit incredibly tight and they're just not comfy to wear. So you have to wear them in for quite a long time. I would say a couple of weeks of constant wear before they actually start to feel a little bit comfortable. But they do hold together pretty well and the materials used on them are good high quality leather. It's just a little bit thick and tight around certain parts of your foot. But it's a Nike Air Jordan 1 High and it's basically a Panda. So it was always going to sell out. So happy to pick up two pairs for retail. They are going for a little bit over retail now. But in my opinion, if you want this, get the Dunk or get the Dunk High because they're basically the same, cheaper, and they look the same if you have your trousers covering them. So, but yeah, that has been all my pickups this last few weeks. It's been quite a lot. Well, I forgot to put in the protection pack all of them, but you've seen them all before. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See what I pick up on a monthly basis. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.